How to increase revenue with restaurant table management software. Why use restaurant table management software? Sales are projected to increase drastically in the restaurant industry, with each restaurant needing to cater to an increase in guests in the foreseeable future. Because of this, many restaurants are turning to restaurant table management software to efficiently manage this increase in business. Such software can help create a streamlined, high-quality experience for your guests while saving time and effort for your staff. What is table management software? Table management software allows you to manage guests and their experiences in the most efficient way possible, creating a seamless customer experience. Not all restaurant table management software is the same. For example, the eHopper POS system allows you to move guests and orders to different tables, while other systems may lock a group to a particular table, and a new order will have to be created to move guests to another table. What features should POS table management systems have? The following features will help any food service establishment: custom floor plan creation. Create, resize, and modify tables. Order taking and management. History and tracking of tables and orders. POS system integration. Loyalty program integration. Inventory and table availability management and alerts. How table management software can increase revenue. It can increase efficiency in table turnover. Help staff organize their time. Reduce the transition time between orders being placed and orders being crafted and delivered. How POS table management speeds up service. It automates and records tasks. When tasks are recorded, they hold a greater feeling of accountability and make the jobs more manageable for your staff to organize. How POS system software and table management can automate tasks. Once seated, guests can place an order from a tablet at the table, or the server can take their order from a tablet. That order will then be sent to the kitchen receipt and prepared. The assigned server will be alerted that the order is ready to be delivered. Once the guests have departed and paid, the table will be marked as available for future guests to be seated. The hardware you need to use table management software? If you haven't yet invested in a POS system, you will need the following: tablets, tableside or for staff. A self-serve tablet at the table allows customers to order and pay with ease. Printers, kitchen and receipt printers. Printers can be set up to receive orders and alerts during the entire customer service process. Scanner. Not all restaurants need a scanner, however, it can be used to scan customer loyalty cards or barcoded items. Credit card terminals for accepting payments. How table management is set up with your POS system. Setting up the service area and floor plan. With the eHopper table management software, creating a floor plan based on the arrangement of your restaurant or other food service establishment is easy. First, you can create a table by putting in that table's information. This includes the number of seats, name, size, and basic shape, for easy recognition. These tables can then be resized and freely moved around the floor space of your virtual restaurant floor plan to match your actual restaurant floor. Tables can also be sorted into sections, where new rooms of tables can be added. How to take orders with your table management system. Using the eHopper table management system, it's easy to identify which tables are available for new guests. Once a table has been selected, you can specify the number of guests at the table. Once a guest has decided on their order, the server can select the guest within the software and then select the guest's food items. Items can also be assigned to the entire table. Orders can then be moved to an on-table order, to another table, or another guest. Once an order is complete, the server can send it to the kitchen staff by printing it to the kitchen printer. Paying for orders with table management? Table orders may be paid for in the same way you would using a traditional POS system without table management, through cash credit, debit, split payments, etc. With table management, you can also split costs for different items among guests, as well as break down receipts for each guest at the table. Taking non-table orders. non-table orders, pickups, deliveries, drive-thrus, quick sales, etc., follow a similar process, though they are linked to a specific guest and not a table. You can easily view and manage all your open non-table orders, as well as start new ones. Table management software, efficiency and easy integration. It should now be easy to see how straightforward table management software can be and how much time it will save you on a day-to-day basis. Since more and more people are visiting restaurants daily, as opposed to once or twice a week, more efficiency will become crucial for the growth of your establishment. Setting up a robust table management system is a great way to get ahead of the curve. If you are looking to increase efficiency and revenue by driving more orders, test drive eHopper POS for restaurants. To get started, please see our pricing page, ehopper.com/pricing. Visit our website to learn more. eHopper.com/restaurant table management.